Hello friends, today I'm setting up my very first leather folio and I pick up 3 different cord colors from Shopee, and since it's my first time using a leather folio, I was honestly a bit surprised by how heavy it feels. This is an A6 size folio from Cadadia, and it can actually fit up to 4 slim notebooks inside. At first, I added a charm for a bit of personality, but I ended up removing it because it made the notebook harder to lay flat. So I decided to keep things simple and functional. Now let's go through the journals I'll be using inside this folio. The first one is a journal about my current self. I even cross-stitched the cover with my age and added a little cat design at the back. The second notebook is just for doodling, something light and creative that I can use anytime. And the third one is my commonplace journal, which is a Hobonichi A6 grid notebook. This is where I'll be collecting thoughts, ideas, and anything that inspires me. Now, let's set up my Midori notebook. On the first page, I'm adding a photo of myself and writing my name. And then, I am placing an index sticker and writing the title of the journal along with what it's about. On the next page, I'm adding some random photos, and my first official spread is my birthday, followed by an autobiography page. For my commonplace journal, I created a simple color coding system using round stickers as a key. This will help me organize different types of entries moving forward. For now, these 3 notebooks are what I'll be keeping inside my leather folio.